Hey there, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing and the OR function in Excel. This function are extremely useful for sorting data in Excel and can be used to perform complex calculation with ease. So let's get started. First, I will discuss about the AND function. The AND function is used to check if all the condition is specified in a formula and true. The sentence of the function is as follows. Here, if I use like equal, then if I say, and when I use the first bracket, now you can see there is a logical 1, logical 2, and logical 3 dot sentence or and function. The logical arguments is required and specify the first condition that needs to be checked. You can additional by adding more arguments in the formula. So I'm gonna show you how to use an AND function. I already made up the functions with data. Here you can see it's about like the order, number, design, amount, follow up, the region, and here is the amount is the say the true or false. When I click over the true, you can now see that here it say the then first bracket. I'm use click over that, use the 3D amount is greater than equal to 300. Then second logic, it say D3. It means 3 here 500 is less than or equal to 600. Okay. When I press enter, now you can see this is the true. So it means if this is the true and what I want. And the second one, this is say the true because this is the greater than 300 less than the 600. Okay, this true, but in the third one is say the our formula is say greater than 300. Okay, but here we found 60 only is not greater than 300, but in the next one is true is less than 600. This is the true, but first one is a true for the decision, it's come up the false. Okay, same as we can also use the formula and it's done true and false. Okay, next one, what I'm gonna do, we will discuss about the OR functions. Okay, let's say the OR functions. Then what I'm gonna do, if I use the same formula, let me just use the equal, right, or and use the first bracket and use a logical one. If I say same as like the here the click on that, then if I use the greater than equal what 300, then comma, and then say again when I click on that less than equal 600 and close it with the first bracket, then hit on the enter. But here it say the true and same functions if I use for that, let me see what will come. When I scroll down my cursor, it say the true. Why? In the AND function, it say the AND function it say the false, but in the OR function it say the true. It means the OR function is used to check if any at least one of the condition specified in formula is true. The syntax of the functions is that true, and like here the logical argument is required and specify the first condition that needs to be checked. You can add additional conditions by adding more argument in the formula. Okay,